Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Instagram app into your Windows in a very simple way. What you need to do, you just need to come over into your search option, and from here you just need to search for Microsoft Store. If you click on the Microsoft Store, you will get an option called Instagram into the top free apps. If you didn't get this option, you just simply come over into your search option and going to search for Instagram over here. If you just simply click on the Instagram, you will get a option at the left side called Instagram. So if you click on the get, it will start getting downloadings. It will take some of seconds. For that, you just need to keep patience. You can see after completing the download, you will get an option called open. You can see at the right side here is a notification from Microsoft Store that Instagram is downloaded or installed. You can open it from here, but if you want to open it from the search option and going to search for Instagram, you will get the app over here. So if you click on open, you will get this kind of interface. You just need to log in over here, give your phone number and username or email. You just need to give the password and then click login. Also, we can use the Facebook password. It will help to log in into Instagram. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.